Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to share with you my personal plans and my personal strategy. How do I work with my initial deposit? Let's dive in. Guys, maybe it's going to be the kind of boring video, but today I would like to share with you not only some idea on the charts for some specific coins. I would like to share with you my idea, my strategy. How do I build my own plan? How do I organize my investment, my middle term targets, swing trades, my intraday trades? How do I work with my finance? So maybe this strategy will be useful for you. First of all, why do I use this strategy? It's based on my experience. It works for me, but maybe it will not work for you because of psychotype, because of lifestyle, but it works for me because I don't want to sit in front of monitor whole day. It's not only about trading, everybody have a family, everybody have a friends, some hobby. I want to see some things in life. I want to do some things in life. I don't want to sit in front of monitor every single hour a day. I love the crypto. I love the blockchain. I love the industry. I want to live life, not spend all this my lifetime in front of monitor and track some fancy coins and worry about, oh, it's hit my target or not. I want to gamble today. I want to not gamble today. I want to gamble today. I want to make money or I'll lose the money. What to do? A lot of stress in this industry. I want to cut all stress, organize my work, organize my finance, and step by step move on because I want to be profitable on a distance. Mental health, relationship with your family, it's much more important than just some these fancy coins what we trade and trying to make money with. I would like to show you the few charts and trying to explain you the logic of what I'm doing. Once again, I don't want to tell you this is a grail or this is a magic stick. It's just what works personally for me. Maybe you will find some useful tips in this video. So first of all, imagine everybody have initial deposit and this is some limitation money what we can work with. Unfortunately, we don't have unlimited budget. Let's be honest, because when I see some posts from influencer, buy the deep, buy the deep, buy the deep, every single time buy the deep for any single coin. Come on, guys, we don't have unlimited budget to buy every single deep for every single coin. We got over than 10K coins on a coin market cap. Just to be honest, it's impossible invest the money in any single coin on every single correction or any single deep. So let's be honest, we got a limitation. So let's be real. All right, so I got my initial deposit. First of all, you have to understand, invest the money in any financial market, only the free money, what you don't need for a living for the next, for example, 2 years. It's a free money what you can work with on a distance and what you can split on different categories. So you don't need this money for a living. You don't need this money to pay the rent. You don't need this money to pay the debt or some money for the college or for some medical issues, No, this money, what is more than okay to work with, and you feel comfortable every single time. You have to be comfortable with this amount of money. If you feel uncomfortable and you worry about this money, reduce your deposit. Got it. So we got an initial deposit. What I'm doing next, I split my this initial deposit for investment, for swing trades, for intraday, for stable coins, some gamble with the meme coins, and for some to pay the gas fee for airdrops, for example. Like you can see, I'm not interested in NFT. I have zero interest in NFT. I don't want to trade. I don't want to gamble. I don't want to chase. I don't want to even dive into this industry in NFT sector because we can't be in any single sector in this industry. First of all, because of interest, and the second one, because we don't have money for all these sectors. A lot of people still make money with NFT because they dive into this NFT, they track the new collections, they track the new creators, and they trade it, flip NFTs, and make money with this JPEGs. I have zero interest in this one. That's why I focused on investments, swing trades, intraday trades, and some airdrops and the testnets. Now the airdrop and the testnets, it's really important niche in the crypto space, personally for me. So it's interesting. So I split my deposit and we start with investment. What do I mean when I tell you about investment? Investment, it's a time period, personally for me. It can be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Long time period. And for example, I use weekly time frame, my indicator set, my strategy, how to work with this FIB with 27 level. I posted the video here today. You can go to Telegram channel and find out in pinned section. You can find out 2 videos here. How to work with 27 level. It's for investments. And these levels you can use even for intraday. But weekly time frame based on this model, I use personally for investment. Next one, it's intuition accumulation pump model, which also helped me a lot for swing trades. Here's an example on DYDX. For investment, it's not for some local percentage gains. It's not about 100% profit. It's a long term, weekly time frame. We got a top, we got a support, we got a 27 block. Usually, all this block, it's personal for me, based on my model, my experience. It's okay for accumulation. Of course, you have to dive into fundamental background of every single coin and understand what I'm doing. Understand what coin do you invest. Because you can't just randomly invest in coins because this coin came into 27 zone. Maybe it's just a dead coin. Nobody traded. This coin has no future. That's why I analyzed the DYDX, I understand the logic, I understand this project, and yes, I made a decision. I would like to accumulate this coin when the price came into my target on a weekly time frame in my zone of interest. It's not some specific price what I'm waiting for. It's zone where I will start accumulate this coin. No matter what price will be in this zone. So it can be $3.49 or $1.63. I accumulate, build my average entry, and we traded, for example, on the DYDX, we first touched 18 level by FIB. It was April 2022. Yes, I accumulated, my entry was around $1.64. Then take a look, $1.64. I made 122%, but I'm not take a profit from the DYDX. Then we drop it once again to my zone, the same target. So I missed it 100% profit, but it's okay personally for me because I know I would like to sell the DYDX at the highest price after a years. If we came into my targets faster, I will be more than happy. You know, I'm not take some local profit in my investments portfolio. I create a list of tokens for investment portfolio. This amount of money I split between the coins for investments. I create a notional list, investment coins, and mark zones for every single coin and mark zones where I would like to out of this coin. So I understand what I'm doing. I can summarize the profit, potential profit for each coin. And I use the drops app to track my average entry, to track the portfolio. So it's totally for free. How to work with drops app, I already made a video. I build my average entry and I wait, for example, for DYDX targets. You can split your profit step by step for this zone, for this zone, for this zone. Take a profit or wait some specific price. Better, of course, take some profit gradually because you never catch some exact till penny price. That's why you can take a profit in some of zone of interest. Zero stress. I can live the normal life, enjoy the life because I'm not track this coin every single hour, every single day. Because, for example, I know my targets, I can even add alert, for example. So I use the TradingView app, I use the web version, I add alert here, and when the price came into the target, I get my alerts, I open, so Binance or any other exchange, deposit the DYDX, sell it, withdraw USDT. Got it, perfect. I'm not wasted the life just watching the charts. The zone where I would like to see the price and I would like to sell at this price. You have to make a deal with yourself. So for example, I want to sell it some part of here at $11 because my entry can be around $1.60. I will be more than okay profit. Also, the people always chase some 10x, some 20x, some 50x. Guys, 100%, it's more than okay because size of initial deposit. Somebody invests $100 and with 100%, you got a $200, you got a 100 profit. It's not enough, it's not a big deal for the crypto space, right? But if you invest 10K and at 10K, you get a 10K profit, it's a big deal, right? From the air, from the fancy coins, you made a 10K profit. With investment or for swing trades, more than okay strategy. If your entry, for example, $2 at $4, if you feel uncomfortable with this size of this deposit, if you feel uncomfortable and you're stressful, so maybe this coin going down and you lose the money again, just withdraw initial deposit. So it will be zero risk. You're buying at $2, for example, at $4, you withdraw initial deposit. Now you got your money back and you got a free coins. It's just a free money from the air, which absolutely you can fix in any of these levels in the future. It's all about mental health, it's all about comfortable life. I mark my zone. I would like to sell some part of coins. It's going to be 20% or 10% and some part of these coins here. And maybe leave some coins if we go to the highest all-time high, so crazy gains. You don't have to feel some doubts because you miss some ride and you fix a profit too early. Absolutely, you have to make a deal with yourself. So I'm more than okay to fix profit here, here, and here. I follow my plan. I absolutely don't care what are people doing, what are people posted, what charts people posting, what are videos on a YouTube influencer posted. I follow my own plan and it's helped me a lot and I feel comfortable. I live my life. I made a profit. Okay, you can't be the richest guy in this space. The main goal is be the profitable on a distance because a lot of people just lose the money. Believe it or not, on the bull run, a lot of people just lose everything because they don't have a plan. Then I create a list for middle term trades and use initiation accumulation pump model. Now take a look. This is on the chart. This is Jupiter chart. This is a hash flow chart and this is a chart of SUI. I split my initial deposit for investment. Investment part is gone. So I invested and I waited a few years. Then I got some money, some amount of money, and also it's limited amount of money. And I can split between the tokens what I'm interested invest in because I can't invest in any single coin in my zone of interest. That's why on a bull run, on uptrend, we use the initiation accumulation pump model. It's helped me a lot to determine the good and the best entries for swing trades. Swing trades, it can be for months or for the weeks. You have to understand the difference. And we use this model. So how to work with this model, I recommend you go and watch this free educational video. It doesn't mean every single time we have to came in to the best time, to the best zone. No, that's why I mark okay zone for accumulation. I mark the best one. So that's the point. Take a look on a SUI. I'm not traded SUI. I just, because I cannot trade every single coin. I just mark the best zone. So this was the best zone for swing trades and we touch this zone and take a look at how the price react. So here, you can buy here and now with the free swing trades, you're in profit for 100% gains. But you mark your take profit zone here. So after 300% profit, I take my profit because I follow my strategy. You can fix 100% of position or you can fix 50%. So you made a 150%, for example, and you mark the next target. So you follow the plan. You absolutely don't care about the timing. Based on this model, if we talk about swing trades, it take maybe a month or a weeks. Some faster, some longer. Take a look on, this is SUI. So you follow the plan. Take a look on Jupiter. So I made videos and people leave some stupid comments. Oh, you missed the ride. Ha ha ha, you missed the ride, for example, with the Ondo. So here, after listing, we not came in to this target, what I market. And the people laughing, ho ho ho, you missed the ride, you missed the coin. It's more than okay for me to skip some coins. I can't invest in every single coin. I mark the zones and if Ondo will come into this target, I will buy in it. If till that time, I will have free money for swing trades. Got it? Got it. If not, absolutely don't care about this coin because my investment portfolio format, my swing trades market, and I wait the targets. I don't need 20 coins for swing trades. I need, for example, 5 coins which play out with my zone of interest. So that's the point because I'm not chased to be right for every single coin analysis. My goal is to make money on this market. If Ondo will not came to this target or even this one, I absolutely don't care about this fancy coin. Sui came into this target. I not accumulate this coin, but I bought Hashflow. I waited this target. You remember my videos. I waited the sweep of this low, which we formed in December 2022. I waited my target. I accumulated here my average entry around 30 cents. Now we are at 34. I just wait this pump for profit 300% or 500%. From my entry, it can be, let's say in average, it can be as 378. At this area, absolutely zero FOMO. I'm not waiting some crazy gains. I follow my plan because I don't want to break my rules, because these rules help me a lot to make money, to be profitable on a distance. I fix some profit here and leave some coins to crazy new all-time highs. That's the point, you know, because I want to make money. I want to make USDT. I don't want to be the diamond hands with some fancy coins. That's the point. I wait this target. When we will came into this targets, I don't know. Nobody can know the timing. We work with the price action. We don't work with the time. We can't control the time in our life. So I understand what I'm doing. If you, Peter, came into this target, I will take a look and maybe I will start accumulate. You can accumulate step by step. This level, this level. It's more than okay zone for accumulation. This level, it's the best one. Take a look on NFP. This one on a Binance. Here. How the price react. The same model, absolutely the same model. It's nothing new. So here. Let's mark. This one is blue one. This is a model which work, you know, and you just need to follow your plan. That's it. Listing, test, perfect test, 61 level by FIB. It's not a magic. If Ondo will not drop to this area, absolutely don't care. But some coins will drop and I start accumulate. So that's a point. If NFP drop to this block, I got my alerts here. I will start accumulate more. Zone, we're more than okay to fix and profit. From this area, from average entry, it's 183% on the spot. Or you can use even with the leverages, for example, but don't gamble with the huge leverages. And if we drop to this area, average, it can be 574. Perfect. Absolutely zero stress. And you know what the best in these models? You absolutely understand what you're doing with your money. So it's just like a magic, you know, because you open the chart and you understand when you will buy, when you will sell. That's it. It's just brilliant. You know, you don't spend the time just hypnotize the charts. Though it's amazing because you have a time for a living. Take a look on D-Mail. The people scream it, we go into the moon. We drop it 41% from the top, and these people maybe cut their losses. We not came into my interest zone of interest. So I don't touch this coin. What I'm doing, I'm not touching this coin. It's simple. You just follow your rules or not. Take a look at Mavia. The people write in the comments, oh, your model doesn't work. Absolutely don't care. Absolutely don't care. Here, this is my personal zone of interest. I follow my strategy. I don't want to break my strategy rules because some fancy coin pump it. Made a continuation. I absolutely don't care. Because if I start look at this area and stop buying it, I just start gamble with this coin. Because in any single moment, we can drop like this one. And I just break my rules just because coin not drop to my price target and continue to the right. So congrats everybody who made a profit. I'm happy for you. I just follow my plan. So that's the beauty when you have a plan. You understand what you're doing. From my initial deposit, I got some amount of money for intraday trades. So it means I trade sometimes. I know I don't want to see the front of monitor all day. This is the same model. I trade the sessions, Asia, London, New York sessions. I mark my zones, zone of interest for potential trades with the leverages. So it means I open the daily time frame, 12-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, and find the entry with the alerts at 5-minute time frame or even 1-minute time frame with my indicator set, with my strategy, with my plan. So it's for intraday trades with leverages. And when that day ends, I can close 100% of my position, no matter what. It's can be 2% profit or 20% profit. Or I close full my position for intraday, or I close some part of position, add stop losses at break even, and go to sleep. Wake up and take a look at the result. Then I leave some amount of money for gamble. Yes, you hear me right? Is for gamble with the meme coins. Yes, this industry, it's nuts, sometimes nuts, and people can make money with meme coins. It's for some trades, it's money, what I really ready to lose. I can afford to lose this amount of money. And I invest in some meme coins. Yes, some made a profit, some not. So for example, I'm invest in Van coin. I got an airdrop, but I invest more, and now I'm in profit with the Van. So this is how it works. But of course, some meme coins just go into zero, and I lose and lost my money. Last stage is stable coins. You always have to have some amount of stable coins, because everything can happen in the market. It's not only about to buy the dip. No, it's more about I don't want to trust all my money, some banks. I diversify and I hold some stable coins in crypto. So that's the point. And based on these simple rules, simple logic, I have a lot of free time for a living, to learn some new stuff, to take some hobby, going to the gym, build a good relationship with my family, live the normal life, and you understand your money work for you without a stress. Of course, I have a stressful day. Of course, everybody have a stressful day because we can't control the market, we can't control the news, but I reduce this stress as much as possible with these simple rules. Also, now, like I told you before, I have an interest in Testnets and in airdrop. So I got a lot of time now to participate in airdrop and the Testnets, because unfortunately we all have only 24 hours a day. That's why, guys, maybe this long, boring video will be useful for someone. If yes, I will be just happy. All information always will be totally for free, guys. So the main message is follow your plan. So build a strategy, when to in, when to out. No matter what happened in the market, you follow your plan. And trust me, if you have your plan, you backtested this plan, you understand what you're doing on a distance, you will be much profitable than 90% of traders. One mistake when you gamble and click the buttons randomly, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, one day or 1 week, you will lose 100% of your deposit. Even it's investment portfolio, or even it's just swing trades, or even with it's trades with leverages or meme coins. Guys, the main goal is to be profitable on a distance. Don't listen to people who are laughing on you or on your decision. You have a plan. Those people don't have any plan. So guys, I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends, so maybe this video will be helpful for someone. Also, all content always will be for free on my Telegram channel on YouTube. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.